Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by securing the essential components: the Enrage core, 50 dark tokens, and 20 enchanted thread. Once you have those, move to the Forge NPC and open the crafting interface. You must be level 60 crafting for the recipe to appear. If not, grind daily quests until you unlock it. Also check your inventory space so materials don't block the process. Now combine the Enrage core with 10 dark tokens and 5 enchanted thread to create the base Enrage fragment. Once you have multiple base Enrage fragments, fuse them to form a charged Enrage shard. You combine 3 base fragments, add 15 dark tokens and a power catalyst at the forge. The catalyst raises potency and reduces failure. Make sure to use a luck boost item if your success chance is under 80%, because repeated failures waste materials. If a fusion fails, salvage partial materials immediately to reclaim tokens. After a successful fusion, inspect the shard stats to confirm Enrage properties before final assembly. To finish, combine the charged Enrage shard with an enchant sigil and 5 enchanted thread at the forge. This yields the Scroll of Enrage. Once created, test the scroll in a low-risk battle to confirm effect and duration rather than using it in a critical fight. If the final craft fails or the scroll lacks potency, immediately salvage the item to recover fragments and tokens. Then repeat the fusion step with a luck boost and double-check your crafting rank to avoid repeated losses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.